Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Oka YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we are going to see and practice. That is something quite tricky for you. Why I say like that? Look at this example. I buy the book yesterday. I buy the book yesterday. Is it true? Okay, sometimes you make the sentence like this. I buy the book yesterday. You have in your mind that you did it yesterday, but you say it in the present tense. I buy. It should be I bought. I bought the book yesterday, not I buy the book yesterday. This is what we call by past tense. So in today's lesson, we are going to talk about what is past tense, what its purpose, and then how to construct sentence by using past tense. So class, don't go anywhere, stay tuned in this video and then pay attention. Okay? Well class, I will explain about simple past tense. I believe most of you have heard about simple past tense, but it does not guarantee you understand it. So what is simple past tense? The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. So this verb tense indicates the things that happened in the past. We always use verb to in the simple past tense. Now let's see the purpose of simple past. We use the simple past to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. So please highlight that the action should started and finished at a specific time in the past. In the simple past, the process of performing the action is not important. What matters is that the action was completed in the past. It means that we don't have to mention the specific time when we use the simple past tense, but we have the specific time in mind. Look at this example. I went fishing. I went fishing yesterday. Both of them are true, whether you put the specific time or not, but you use the verb to, went, so it indicates the simple past tense. The next example. We walk in the garden. We walked in the garden last Sunday. You can mention the last Sunday or you may not, but you have to use verb to, walk, walk. Well class, have you understand about the concept? Now let's move to the kinds of verb to. There are two kinds of verb to. The first one is regular verb. The second one is irregular verb. With the regular verb, we use the verb plus ed. Let's see the example. Play become played. Ask become asked. Visit become visited. Now let's move to irregular verb. Verb plus different verb form. So it doesn't have the rule. You will be familiar with this irregular verb when you have more practice. Let's see the example. Come become came. Eat become ate. Forget become forgot. So now how do we form the past tense?
Let's see number 1. It is affirmative sentence. You have to know the form subject plus verb to plus object. Example, I met a delicious food. So met here is verb to. I met a delicious food. Conjugating the simple past tense, the positive one, let's see. I bake a cake. You bake a cake. She bake a cake. He bake a cake. We bake a cake. They bake a cake. No matter what the subject is, all we have to do is add the D or the ED to the end of the verb. Second, negative sentence. Let's see the form. Subject plus did not plus verb 1 plus object. John did not finish his homework last night. Did not, and then we come again to the verb 1 because we have used verb 2 in did. John did not finish his homework last night. Conjugating the past simple in negative form. I did not watch television. You did not watch television. She did not watch television. He did not watch television. We did not watch television. They did not watch television. Did not, we can construct it to didn't. Didn't is actually construction of did not, but in normal everyday speaking, we often use didn't. Number 3, interrogative sentence. The form is did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. And then the question mark. Did you wash the dishes? Did you wash the dishes? Now let's move to conjugating the past simple for the interrogative past tense. Did I play badminton? Did you play badminton? Did she play badminton? Did he play badminton? Did we play badminton? Did they play badminton? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. For WH questions, you can see in this table the questions. What did you do last Sunday? I played tennis with my friends. Where did you do? Where did you go on vacation? I visited my grandmother at the village. How long did you stay there? We stayed there for about 2 hours. So please pay attention. We have to use verb to, verb to, verb to. And then the answer for the positive one, we also use verb to. I played. I visited. I stayed. Now let's see another part of past tense. It is used verb be. Verb be is become was for the past tense, and then are become were. I was a junior high school student last year. We were friends at junior high school. So was and were belongs to verb to. How do we form the past simple verb be? For positive one, subject plus was or were. Let's see the example. I was at the cinema last night. Negative one, subject plus was or were plus not. We were not at the cinema last night. Interrogative form, was, were plus subject. Were you at the cinema last night? Okay class, that's all for our presentation. I hope you understand the material of past tense. you can construct the simple past tense by your own statement.
Well, class, have you understood how to use past tense? Now, let's make some practice. Good luck.